For years now, people have been asking the same question. When is Apple finally going to make a foldable iPhone? Well, it looks like we might be getting closer than ever because a brand new leak just gave us one of the clearest looks yet at what this thing could actually look like. A well-known Apple leaker, Sonny Dickson, has just shared images that appear to come straight from 3D CAD files of the rumored foldable iPhone. These types of files are usually used by accessory makers and manufacturers, which means they often reveal the exact shape and layout of a device long before it launches. And if these images are accurate, Apple's first foldable might look a little different from what we've seen from other brands. Instead of going for the tall, narrow style used by phones like the Galaxy Z Fold series, Apple's version seems to be noticeably wider. That could make the phone feel more natural to use when it's closed, almost like a regular iPhone rather than a skinny remote control. And interestingly, this design lines up very closely with an earlier leak shared by Jon Prosser from FrontPageTech, which makes the whole thing a bit harder to ignore. Looking at the back of the device, the camera design is surprisingly familiar. It seems to borrow the same raised camera plateau we've seen on the iPhone Air. But instead of 3 lenses like the Pro models, the foldable version appears to have just 2 cameras on the back. Then there's the front side. When the phone is closed, you can spot a small pinhole camera on the outer display for selfies and video calls. But once you unfold the device, there appears to be another selfie camera sitting on the inside display, positioned near the corner. That means this phone could actually have 4 cameras in total, 2 on the back and 2 dedicated to selfies depending on whether the phone is open or closed. And this idea lines up with other reports floating around right now. According to several leakers, including Jon Prosser, Apple's foldable could feature a 5.5-inch external display, which would handle quick tasks when the phone is closed. Then, when you unfold it, you'd get a much larger 7.8-inch screen, turning the device into something closer to a small tablet. The thickness is also pretty interesting. The device is rumored to be about 9 millimeters thick when folded shut, which is fairly typical for a foldable. But when you open it up, it could shrink down to roughly 4.5 millimeters. If that turns out to be true, it would actually make it thinner than the iPhone Air when unfolded, which is pretty impressive for a first-generation foldable. Now, what makes this leak even more interesting is the situation around Jon Prosser himself. Apple is currently involved in a lawsuit related to some of his previous leaks about iOS 26 and something called liquid glass. According to Apple's claims, some of that information allegedly came from material shared from an Apple employee's phone. So, ironically, the legal battle has also made people take Prosser's sources a little more seriously because it suggests at least some of the information may have been coming from inside Apple. Of course, even with all these leaks, Apple hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, but analysts like Gurman and Ming-Chi have both said that Apple has been actively working on a foldable iPhone behind the scenes for quite a while now. And if the current timeline is accurate, the company could be aiming for a launch sometime around fall of 2026. So after years of rumors, it feels like Apple's foldable iPhone might finally be taking shape. But the real question is, would you actually buy a foldable iPhone if Apple released one? Or do you think foldables are still more of a cool experiment than something people really need? Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to stick around because there's a lot more Apple news coming very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.